With Dibac, we can import image files into our project. Click on the image icon and you'll get this window where you can explore your library. Choose from one of the many image file formats available and then select an image to open it in Dibac. Click once to position the first corner and then move the mouse until you get the desired size of the image using the opposite corner as a reference. Note that the aspect ratio of the image will stay as default. Another click and you will insert the image in the drawing. The images can be moved using the sides and corner as reference points. If you want to change its size, you can use the scale tool for this purpose.